Unlock your inner problem solver. Ready to master a secret tool that will help you solve complex problems with ease? Meet Solver, Excel's hidden gem for optimization. Whether you want to maximize profits, minimize costs, or find the best combination of variables, Solver can help. Have you ever wondered how to make the best decision when you have many options? Let's solve that. Solver is like a puzzle master that finds the best solution for you. It helps you solve problems where you have to optimize something, like finding the best mix of ingredients, the right investment, or the most efficient route. Think about a time when you had to decide between different choices. What if Excel could do the hard work for you? Imagine you are a master chef, but instead of food, you are creating a powerful energy drink. To make this drink, you need to mix two special ingredients, ingredient X and ingredient Y. But there's a catch. You have to stay within your budget and you need to make sure your drink is packed with enough nutrition. Let's dive in and discover how to make the most cost-effective drink without compromising on quality. You have two ingredients, ingredient X and ingredient Y. Both provide important nutrients like protein and fiber, but they cost different amounts. Your mission is to minimize the cost of making your drink while making sure you meet the nutritional targets of at least 300 units of protein and 200 units of fiber. You can't use too much of either ingredient though. Ingredient X is limited to 30 kg and ingredient Y to 40 kg. How to use Solver step by step. Set the objective. Tell Solver that you want to minimize the total cost. Pick decision variables. Select the cells where you enter how much of ingredient X and ingredient Y you will use. Add constraints. Total protein must be at least 300 units. Total fiber must be at least 200 units. Ingredient X can't exceed 30 kg and ingredient Y can't exceed 40 kg. Click Solve and let Excel do the hard work for you.